Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. So in this week's video, I'm showing you some extra places where you can add your opt-in to your website. So the first of these is what's called an announcement bar. Some people call it a hello bar. There's a couple different names for it, but this top bar right here is amazing real estate for your website. So this is a great place to put your opt-in. Another place that I like to put it is with one of these really cool little boxes. And now you can do this manually or you can do this automatically with Sumo. And the third place that I like to put it is right down here within the blog post. Now, this happens manually. So this happens when you're editing the blog post. But for the other two, you can automate this using something called Sumo. And it's the same program that I showed you for how to make a pop-up for your website. So you can check that out too. So what you want to do is go to My Tools in Sumo. And it's going to give you a few different options. Now, my website, just to let you know, it uses Genesis. So this announcement bar is already built in with Genesis. So I did not have to build this with Sumo. If your theme does not include an announcement bar, you can do it with Sumo. So let's go ahead and take a look at forms. And what I'm going to do is do create new form. So again, you have a few different options here. Let's say I want to do a call to action. What's going to change it is when you go to form type. So you can do pop-up, scroll box. Inline form is the one I used to create this right here. Or you can do a smart bar. To get this little announcement bar. Again, smart bar, hello bar, announcement bar, whatever you want to call it. The idea is that it's a bar up here. And to edit the content, again, it works the same as the pop-up. You can edit the content here. Redirect to. Visibility, you can decide where it should go. And then once you're ready, just hit publish. So that's how to create your smart bar. And again, the inline is the same situation. You can create using the different design pieces that you want. The idea is that you're putting it all over your website. So now we've got the pop-up. We've got the announcement bar. We've got this little block within the WordPress, within the website. And we've got an actual link within your blog post. What it's doing is it's increasing your chances of having your website convert. Now, it may seem, you may be sitting there going, oh, but that's so much. Quite honestly, if you look at it, it sounds like a lot. But if you look at this blog post, it's not obtrusive. It's not getting in their way. It's not deterring their form of reading. It's giving them valuable content. It's giving them valuable information. It's just slightly nudging them, gently nudging them to give them more information to help them take the next step to helping them with their, in my case, their website or whatever they may be looking for. Now, there are some people who make these extremely obnoxious. There are some people who make pop-ups that won't go away. Those are not the kinds of things that you want. So when you're doing this design, again, you'll notice here, it's using my colors and my fonts. It matches with my website. It flows very, very nicely. Everything fits together. And that's why I can have all these different pieces in here without it overpowering my blog post. I mean, my blog post is still the main feature here. This is what people are interested in when they come here. And this is what I give them. This just gets sprinkled in so that they can take that next step to getting more help with their website. All right, everyone, that is a little bit about where to put your opt-in to get it to convert better. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll see you in the Facebook group. Bye.